Medellín City. Approximate population 2,058,450 inhabitants. Urban area 120 into average climate 21.6 degrees Celsius. Current situation of education. In Medellín, there be more than 400 public and private schools and 35 universities. Current situation of urbanization and trade. The urban transformation has had national and international recognition based on social urbanism, where preference has been transformed into horizontal property instructions for the use of the land within the condition of the relief. Medellín is an industrial and commercial emporium where the provision of services and the fashion industry are pillars of the economic development of the city. Current situation of natural resources. The city is crossed from south to north by the Medellín River, which has the main tributaries, the Santa Elena Stream and the Iguana Stream. In total, the river receives 57 direct tributaries and more than 700 secondary water currents that could increase in raining water. The urban and the demographic growth of the city has had a remarkable alteration of the fauna and the flora. The contamination of the water disappeared almost all the species of fauna and the flora of the river, of which the cold ison dates back. Nevertheless, the municipality Yucatan and natural reserve to the south, such as to Monte del Romeral and the north the hill Quitasol. Medellín is among the 20 most polluted cities in Latin America. Current culture and entertainment situation. Among the main artists of the city of Medellín are Fernando Botero, Rodrigo Arenas Betancourt, and Deborah Arango. In current music stand out Juanes, Maluma, J Balvin, Karol G, and Sebastian Yatra. The main cultural cranes of the city are the Museum of Antioquia and the Plaza Botero. In the city, the International Festival of Poetry is realized in addition. It is the city of the country with the greatest amount of sculptures. The city has 24 libraries connected in a network with sharing resources, efforts, knowledge, and experiences. It also has 17 performing arts halls in which around 50 reconciled groups are presented internally and in the country. Personal security perception in the city of Medellín. The city of Medellín maintains a constant struggle to maintain the peace and the tranquility of its inhabitants. Most of the people are very friendly and civic. However, there are areas of the city where crime predominates, mainly associated with poverty conditions. Your personal perception of migration. There has been a migration of citizens to foreign destinations, mainly the United States, there and Spain. The population is better employment opportunity, specialization in their studies, or simply flee from poverty. Immigration is currently headed by Venezuelan citizens who move from their country due to the current political situation. They live looking for a better future for their families and find in the city of Medellín a welcoming place to set.